Hey guys, thanks for patiently waiting. I know I've kept y'all on your toes a little bit with putting out a video, doing some actual work to my new project car. So thank you for being here, and sorry about the wait. It is nighttime right now, so I'm not going to do everything tonight, but I do need to change the engine air filter. So I figured, why not film myself doing that? And then I will probably start work on the suspension maybe tomorrow. I definitely need to do it soon though. I'm really looking forward to it and I'm ready to do this. But as I said in a previous video, I do have a job. So I have to work around that. But this week it is happening. So stay tuned and let's change this engine air filter. All right, let's get started. I love this vessel screwdriver. This car is going to need a few things pretty soon. I just ordered a fuel pump and fuel pump assembly for it. That will be here later this week. So I'm going to be replacing that. It's definitely leaking gas when it's full. So I'm definitely going to replace the fuel pump and the fuel pump assembly, as well as the rubber O-rings and everything that it needs. So stay tuned for a video of me changing that out. I'm definitely looking forward to getting this car working at optimal performance. Okay, new filter. This one's not looking too bad, but I just changed the cabin filter, and boy oh boy, that thing needed to be changed badly. All right. I've been driving it around a little bit, and it drives so nice. I feel like once I get this working at optimal levels, it's going to be a nice car. I'm really excited to do the suspension. It needs it pretty badly. The guy I bought it from said that he replaced the front struts already. I just don't know. I don't know. They don't look like they're new to me. See what y'all think when I get under there. Whew, it's already hot in Texas. It's like 10 o'clock right now and it's still in the 80s. It might be in the upper 70s actually, but man, usually beginning of March is still kind of chilly. I feel like this summer is going to be brutal. Hopefully it's not too bad. I just spent a pretty decent amount of time cleaning up the engine bay, and I think it looks much better now. There's still a lot to clean up, but I think at least the plastics look better. What do y'all think? I still have a lot of work to do on this car, so stay tuned. I've got more videos coming. Stay happy, healthy, and wealthy.